Today, 100 years ago. A tense chamber in Washington, D.C. pulses with anticipation as lawmakers prepare to vote on one of the largest military spending bills in American history. It's April 20th, 1926, and the U.S. House of Representatives stands on the brink of a historic decision. Just 8 years after the guns of World War I fell silent, whispers of new threats echo through the halls of power. Fears of naval aggression and unprepared borders grip the nation, pushing Congress toward bold action. The Army Appropriations Act for fiscal year 1927 lands on their desks, a colossal $340 million package, a fortune that dwarfs previous budgets and equals billions in today's dollars. This isn't mere paperwork, it's a lifeline for America's defenses. Representatives debate fiercely through the morning hours, voices rising in rare unity. They envision skies filled with more biplanes and early fighters, Army Aviation surging from fledgling squadrons to a formidable air force. Coastal batteries and border forts, long neglected, receive urgent reinforcements against shadowy foes across the seas. By midday, the chamber hushes. The clerk calls the roll. One by one, members rise. Yeas thunder across the floor. The tally climbs, 370 in favor. A lone dissenter casting the only nay. Cheers erupt at around 2:15 in the afternoon, sealing the near-unanimous verdict. Bipartisan harmony, so elusive in divided times, shines through in this overwhelming mandate. Lawmakers shake hands, papers shuffle triumphantly. Outside, headlines brew in newsrooms like the New York Times, ready to proclaim the windfall. On this single day, the House doesn't just pass a bill, it ignites a military renaissance, channeling funds to propel aviation into new eras and fortify shores against tomorrow's storms. The message rings clear: America stands ready. If the House's resounding 370-1 vote on the Army Appropriations Act stirs your sense of national resolve, countless other congressional turning points await. Like and subscribe to uncover them all.